Hi, and welcome to the very usual boring life of a third year biology student at IISER Berhampur. So, as usual, I woke up in the morning, got fresh, took a bath, and did a little bit of studying because exams are literally knocking at the door. After that, I got ready, had breakfast, and went straight to the lab. Now, this was a kind of special because for the very first time, we were having a lab in the permanent campus. Till now, everything used to happen in the transit campus, so walking into a new lab space gave a bit of different vibe. Though, from whatever I have heard, this setup is isn't going to be permanent either. So basically permanent campus labs जो है वो भी permanent नहीं है, but still it felt like a milestone. Now once inside, काम के साथ साथ थोड़ा gossip भी हो गया because let's be honest, without gossip no lab day feels complete, you know. After that we headed to the cafe near the academic building simply because mess का खाना that day was a total disaster and cafe food felt like a blessing compared to that. Post lunch we came back to the lab and ended up waiting for almost an hour only to be told that our PCR experiment would take way too long to complete and would not feed in the limited time slot we had. So the conclusion was the rest of the PCR will be continued next week. And just like that, the much hyped lab day ended with a to be continued tag. After that, I went to the library to do some studying, but of course, power cut हो गए. So even God doesn't want me to study. फिर मैं क्यों करूँ? किसके लिए करूँ? And with that, I came back to my room to told myself कि कल से पक्का पढ़ाई शुरू कर दूंगी. Had my dinner and straight went to sleep, and that's how another productive day, so-called productive day of my life ended.